Okay, folks, if you got a Nissan, chances are the most widely used knob, I guess they're all widely used, but for me, it's always the control. I like to have the vent and the feet, and, well, I like to change it all the time. But I guess the speed of the fan is important too. I guess that one might not be used as much, but well. To make a long story short, this knob, you can see, broke. So I looked online, I looked many different places, even the junkyard. There's never a Nissan at the junkyard, but got one from the Nissan dealer on ordered, so I'll show you the drive to the Nissan dealer, and we'll pick up the new knob and we'll go from there. So get your seatbelt on and let's go. Well, we're on our way to the Nissan dealer. It's the only place where you can get those parts. Oh, is that guy gonna cut this guy off? Looks like it. Okay, so here we are, Nissan, and we'll go right in and go to the parts department. Wonder where I can park. Oh yeah, just go right in front of me. Okay, I'll be right back with the part. Well, there it is. The control knob. And if you can see that, well, we'll go back to the X-Trail and we'll open it up. But that's the oh, I guess, which would be the part number? 27559-8H300. So if you're looking for one, chances are the only place you'll get the knob itself is at a dealer instead of buying the whole complete package. So let's go back to the X-Trail and put it in. Okay, well, there's the old broken knob. Here's the new knob, and let me get both hands to open this. Just 1 minute. Okay, that one's the good one. That one's the broken one. So let's put the good one on, and yeah, just like that. One thing I should mention is this knob, control knob, was only $16 at a dealer, so that's not bad. Plus your taxes and everything, but still. Okay, there it goes. So it doesn't go completely to the vent, but it's probably just how it sits. try it. Okay. Okay, that should be. Yep, I feel it on the defroster. So that works good then. So I'll be able to change wherever I want. The fan to blow. Oh yeah, that's full vents right there. That's really nice. Yeah, that's good. Yep, works good. All right. Well, thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Helps the channel out. Helps me out a lot because by trade I'm a mechanic. But with this COVID and everything, I'm only working 4 hours a day, so it makes it really tough to make a living. So if my YouTube channel can help out in any way, please help me out, and I would really appreciate that. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for more. There's always something breaking down with me. Okay, bye for now. My little bikini girl's happy now too.